we're going to teach you about trigonometry. First of all, you have to know that trigonometry is used everywhere, even by chipmunks.
So in order to solve a right triangle, we have to know about sine, cosine, and tangent.
So sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent.
This is only for right triangles. Okay, so just
the inverse of them
so you know,
are
sec
is the inverse of cosine, is
opposite
opposite of sine, and cot
is opposite
of tangent.
Yeah. Okay.
So now that we know this stuff, we're gonna go and grab our food. We are hungry chipmunks, and we want to get our food that's at the top of that tree. So we need your help
to see what the distance
the measurement of this.
Okay, so
how many meters away am I from the tree?
And how much she would have to jump to get to the top of the tree. So we know that the height of the tree.
We asked someone.
Yeah,
him. We're smart chipmunks.
Smart chipmunks.
And we know that the height of the tree is
20 meters.
So.
And we also know that the angle where Amani is to the top of the tree is 45 degrees. So how do we figure out the length and the hypotenuse?
And
how? Okay, so easy.
Okay, so first we're gonna find sine.
No,
because
we're gonna find the hypotenuse. The distance she would have to jump.
And in order to find the hypotenuse, we use our opposite over hypotenuse. So we put sine of 45 because that's the angle equals 20 meters over x
because we want to find x.
So now that we have that, we
want to leave x alone.
We leave x alone
to know what it is. So you multiply x to the other side, so it will be x sine 45 equals 20, and then to leave x alone, you have to divide sine 45
over 20.
So it's x equals 20 over sine 45. So that you plug it in your calculator, like so.
And you'll get x equals 23.5 meters. Good job, people. We know the hypotenuse.
We would have an answer like that.
Now, we want to know the length of how many meters away I was from the tree.
Because if she feels like she's a little tired and she doesn't want to jump, she can just run to the tree, and do something.
Yeah, so tell us, Mariana, what would you do to find that?
So to find that, we would use tangent. Why? Because tangent is opposite over adjacent. And we want to know the adjacent part. So it would be tangent of 45 equals 20 divided by y. And y is what we want to find. So in order to leave y alone, you have to multiply to the other side and then divide tangent. So we would get y equals 20 over tangent of 45.
You plug it in your calculator
and you will get y equals 12.35 meters.
So that means that I was away from the tree 12.35 meters, and in order to jump, I'll have to jump 23.5 meters. And
to make sure that this is true, we could use the Pythagorean theorem,
which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared.
So it would be 20 squared plus 12.35 squared equals 23.5 squared, which would be accurate because
the hypotenuse is the biggest side. As you know.
So now Amani can jump,
I can
or
get
she
my
can
food.
run.
So thank you very much for helping us. I'm gonna get some food now. Bye.
Bye.